This topic, User Settings for Default Security Groups, relates to instance-based security, which is an optional feature of Euclid 6 Server. If you manage or use a shared instance of Euclid, this topic may be of interest. Instance-based security allows access within Euclid 6 to be controlled per entity per user and groups of users. Users are organized into security groups. Access to an entity can be defined per security group using the share functionality. The access can be read, read-write, or read-write-delete. When a user creates an entity, the user becomes the owner of the entity. Ownership allows the user to share an entity to any security group. A user manager can control the sharing that is done automatically when a user creates an entity. In this version of Euclid, that power has been extended to the user. After all, users own the entities that they create. Note that on import of data, the sharing is set separately. The sharing menu is opened for an entity from its record on the list page, via the menu here. In this example, the sharing is being set so that on creation of a substance entity, it is automatically shared with read-only access for all the users in the security group internal reader. A user can now set this type of sharing to be the default. This is done from the user settings accessed from the top right of the Euclid interface here. Two options have been added at the foot of the page. The first, Security Groups, tells the users to which security groups they belong. The second, Default Group Access, allows the users to set the default sharing per type of entity and security group that is applied when an entity is created. Remember that the sharing can be changed afterwards, but this feature may make that unnecessary. This example shows the same sharing being set up as was done manually on the previous slide, with read-only access for all the users in the security group internal reader.